The Hong Kong Style Borscht should meet the standard of sweet, sour, and mild chili brings to the taste buds. Have you tried different versions of recipes from the web, but those still could not bring you the satisfaction? Today, let me share with you the original recipe in Old Hong Kong style. You will be surprised the way how the Old Hong Kong Borscht was made. For ingredients, half red bell pepper will be used. Since it is used for making soup, cutting it casually into cubes will be fine. We can use the seeds to make the soups as well. We'll use the green bell pepper too. Casually cut it into cubes as well. Reserve the seeds to make the soup if you prefer. Cut the onion in half and then cubes. Remove the fiber of celery and cut into cubes. Cabbage is important too. Its sweetness and texture plays a very vital role in the soup. Roughly cut into large pieces, the core can be used too. Carrot can be cut into stripes and large cubes. We need plenty of garlic, which will add in the fragrance to the soup. Fresh tomato is a must, of course. You may ask why potato is not included. Yes, it's very common for Hong Kong family making Chinese tomato soup with potato. However, the Old Hong Kong Style Borscht is also the soup base in Hong Kong style Western restaurant. What I mean is, the new soup will be kept replenishing to the old soup. To avoid the soup over starchy or thickened, potato will not be added. Use one Thai hot chili. You can include the seeds if you can stand the heat. The mild spicy taste of the soup is from the chili. As for the beef, we can use the fresh leftover tender meat. Otherwise, use the whole piece of frozen beef shank. The result is very good too. Rinse the beef in boiling water to remove the blood and frozen smell. Cut into slices and cubes. When all the preparations is over, we can start cooking now. Heat the oil. The oil should be enough to fry all the ingredients. The sequence in frying the vegetables is also important too. Onion and garlic should go first, followed by red and green bell pepper, Thai chili. These ingredients are the key to add spicy and flavor to the soup. Time is needed to pan-fry the ingredients completely so as to level up the taste. Then add celery and carrot. At the meantime, add tomato paste and ketchup. You must fry tomato paste thoroughly in order to release the fragrance. Otherwise, the raw taste of tomato paste remains. The main functions of adding tomato paste will be lost. Fry the ingredients until they caramelize before adding the rest of the ingredients. Keep frying until it reaches to such fair and even status. Add the beef shank meat, cabbage, fresh tomato, keep stir frying in high heat. Then add bay leaf and ground black pepper. You must be patient in the frying process. until you smell the fragrance from the vegetables. Put the chicken stock in high heat. Then add some water. Bring it to the boil. Cover it and simmer for 1 hour in medium-low heat. Set aside and let it cool. Put it in fridge overnight. Making the soup is not complicated. What you need is just time and patience. Let the vegetables and soup to mature overnight in order to level up the taste. Take out the soup from the fridge the next day. Bring the soup to boil. It's not done yet. The second vital part is seasoning. Get the lemon zest from a lemon. Avoid the white skin. Squeeze out the lemon juice into the soup to provide adequate sour taste to the soup. Soy sauce is very important to the old Hong Kong style Western cuisine. Not the common light soy sauce, but the particular one called Maggi seasoning. Use sugar to adjust the sweetness level. If you think you fail to reach the standard taste of the old Hong Kong style borscht, most probably you've missed the seasoning. That's exactly the taste I want. If you're pursuing the sweetness, sourness, and spiciness of the old Hong Kong style borscht, you should boldly season the soup. Serve with a warm soft bread. It's all set. This is a taste from our childhood. Very comforting. Remember, pan-fry thoroughly the ingredients one by one. With correct seasoning, you'll achieve the authentic taste of the soup. Please leave a message in the comment box below if you have any questions about this recipe. Next time, I'll introduce you more Hong Kong style cuisine to you.